Let me take you on a journey to the heart of America, Nebraska, where a young man named Warren Buffett turned his financial dreams into a massive reality. But this isn't just any story. It's a story about how you can follow in his footsteps, building your very own baby Berkshire right from your living room. Intrigued? Well, buckle up. Warren Buffett didn't start with billions. He built his empire using the magic of compounding, kind of like how a snowball gets bigger and bigger as it rolls downhill. And you know what? You can start building your own snowball too. So, how did Warren do it? How did he grow that snowball into the $660 billion empire we know as Berkshire Hathaway? It all started with insurance. Yes, insurance. Now I know what you're thinking. Insurance sounds boring, right? But stay with me because this is where the magic begins. In 1967, Buffett bought a small insurance company called National Indemnity, and that was the cornerstone of his empire. But why insurance? Because it generated steady cash flow that he could use to invest in other businesses. And here's the kicker. When you pay for insurance, the company holds onto your money until they need to pay out a claim. In the meantime, they invest that money and make even more money. That's what Warren did, and it's how he built his financial powerhouse. Now you might be thinking, okay, I get it, but I can't just go out and buy an insurance company. And you're right. But what if I told you there's a way to create your own mini insurance company? One that you can run from your laptop? Welcome to the world of options trading, specifically selling put options. Now, don't let the jargon scare you. Selling put options is like offering insurance to someone who owns a stock. You collect a premium, just like an insurance company. And in return, you agree to buy the stock at a lower price if it drops. If the stock doesn't drop, you keep the premium and move on. Simple, right? This strategy, known as selling cash-secured puts, is how you can start your mini insurance business. Let's break it down with an example. Imagine there's a stock you want to buy, but it's a bit pricey right now, say $100 per share. You'd be happy to own it if it dropped to $90 though. So you sell a put option with a $90 strike price. You collect a premium for doing this, say $100. If the stock stays above $90, you keep the $100 premium and you're not obligated to buy the stock. If the stock drops below $90, you're obligated to buy it at $90. But hey, you wanted to own it at that price anyway, and you still get to keep the premium. And that's just the beginning. You can reinvest those premiums into more stocks, creating a compounding effect, just like Warren did with Berkshire Hathaway. But here's where it gets even more interesting. What if you could protect yourself from potential losses? You know, like reinsurance for your mini insurance business? Enter the put credit spread. This is where you sell a put option, just like before, but you also buy a cheaper put option at a lower strike price. This limits your potential losses, like having reinsurance. You won't collect as much premium, but your downside is protected. It's a win-win. So, by now, you're probably seeing the potential here. You're not just collecting premiums. You're building a strategy, a business model that can grow your wealth over time, just like Warren Buffett's snowball. The key is to focus on quality stocks that you'd be happy to own, no matter what. By selling puts on these stocks and using strategies like the put credit spread, you're effectively running a mini Berkshire Hathaway, collecting premiums, investing in quality, and letting your wealth compound. And this is just the beginning. Remember, it's not about where you start. It's about where you end up. Let's make that snowball roll. Are you ready to build your own baby Berkshire? Join our exclusive school community today and take the first step toward creating long-term wealth. We're welcoming a limited group, and for a short time, membership is completely free. Don't miss your chance to be part of something groundbreaking. Click the link in the description to claim your spot and help shape this growing community. And here's the best part. Once the community is thriving, we'll be sharing proceeds with our most active and engaged members. This is more than a community. It's a wealth-building movement. Be part of it.